Part marinade and part brine, this makes the juiciest, most tender and flavorful chicken thighs. To a blender, add 3/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, a 1/4 of an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, or a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Pour in a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper and smoked paprika. Blend until smooth. You're really pureeing that fresh onion and garlic right in there, so that the marinade is literally made up of onion and garlic juice. As I said, this isn't just a marinade, but is part brine due to the salt and salty soy sauce. So those salt components are going to mix with the onion and garlic juice and then suck that juice right into the meat. You're not going to believe how much flavor gets pulled in. The maple syrup has an important role too. It adds color, but it's also the sugar in there that's going to help get those dark grill marks. Put 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken thighs into a zip-top bag. Pour in the marinade, seal, and refrigerate for 1.5 hours. Don't do longer though, or it'll get too salty. Take the chicken out, pat it dry, and coat it generously with oil on both sides. The oil in the marinade was there to help dissolve flavor and isn't going to prevent sticking. Cook the chicken however you'd like. I'm going to cook these on the grill so you can see just how nice those grill marks show up. Once cooked through, take them off the heat and give them a few minutes to rest. The result is smoky, tender chicken thighs that are super juicy and have that intense flavor all the way through the meat. And that char tastes as good as it looks. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.